सीधे आपको पूर्व सीएम कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में लिए चलते जहां पर वो आज नई पार्टी का ऐलान कर सकते हैं।
सो ये जरा आज शुरुआत में करना चाहना है, it is basically on what I have been seeing ever since my government went a month ago. We have, in the course of these 4.5 years that I was there, here are all the papers, what we have achieved. I am giving you each a set, ताकि तुसी सारे अपने आप at your leisure तुसी इसनू पढ़ सको. Fact is that this is our manifesto of when I took over, and this manifesto is what we have achieved right through. A manifesto again, this is another copy, and ये अपने पंजाबी दे विच है मनोरथ पत्थर, सो ये भी ये विच ही है. और then जेड़ी असी मैनीफेस्टो तो अलावा प्रोग्राम किए ने पंजाब वास्ते ओहदी भी एक कॉपी. पठानकोट तो फाजिलका 600 किलोमीटर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो इंडियाज बॉर्डर, इट इज़ ऑल्सो माई बॉर्डर. एंड वैन पीपल जरा हुण कल इन्होंने मुलाकात की ना, वैन पीपल टॉक whether it is all party or anybody, they must be given the proper briefing. I don't know what they were given, whether they were given briefing or not. But I have the figures here of from day one to day now. देखो इत्थे ये सियां पहला की हुंदा सी जदों असीं आए या उस तो पहला दी गल है, ये तार दे नीचे ली सुरंग बना के ये अपने हथियार हथूर या हेरोइन होए या कुछ कढ़ लैंदे सी विचों. वो तो बाद फिर कदे कदे जब नदियां का पानी डाउन सी बरसात तो बाद उदों उतों नदियां के उपर भी आ जाते सी. हुण ये जिहड़ा ड्रोन सिस्टम चलिया हुआ है, दिस इज़ अ वेरी डेंजरस फिनोमिना एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ ग्रोइंग. पहले ड्रोन आए से अज तो तकरीबन 1.5 साल पहला. इट वॉज जस्ट हॉपिंग अक्रॉस द रिवर, इधरों चक्या इधर सिट्टिया और वापस गए. सानू नहीं पता लग्या for some days कि ये कित्थों आ रहे ने पैकेजेस. then कुदरती तौर पे one drone एक दरख्त के विच फंस गया. so we came to know drones were but carrying this material. now पहला था it was dropping across the river. then they made the distance about 7 to 8 kilometers. and हुण मेरे को the last lot which I received information, they have gone up to 32 drops were made about 31 kilometers inland. So ये जड़ा कहना कि 51 किलोमीटर बड़ा it's taking over Punjab, this is a total misconception. I do not know what the all party meeting discussed, लेकिन please understand one thing. Security forces are there to control the security of the country. Nobody is taking over the government of the state. ना होई है पहला, ना होई है हुण. उदों जब होई सी terrorist periods used to have a cordon operation, and the army used to do an outer cordon. Where the police, Punjab police and the CRP and all used to do the inner search and operation. Same is the case now. Nobody is taking over the states. Eta 51 kilometer tak, they are on the lookout for these drones. Technology बढ़ रही है. These are Chinese drones. इन्हां दा payload increase हो रहा है और इन्हां दी range increase. Just take this out. Did you hold this? Yes. These are pictures given during mere time. Now here are the drones. ये drones ने ये drop की है. Now how do the drones drop it? They have a GPS system, ground plotting system, which is put into the drone. The drone goes to that GPS location and it drops. And ओथे somebody जड़ा इन्हां दा associate है, he picks it up. एरो ले जाके अपने को जिथे लुको के रखदा है और रखदा है. हुण ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ नहीं दिओ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਰ ਕੀ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ. This is one drone. This is the packages of other drones. And then there is these are all drone pictures. 1 minute. These are the type of drones that have come. Now what is a shuru jehda drone honda si? They used to carry 2 AK-47, 4 magazines, 2 pistols, 4 magazines, 2 lakh rupiah, heroin de 2 kilo. That was the loan. But subsequently range bad gayi, capacity bad gayi. Hun kinna aa raha hai, it is now for this new government to see. Earlier on they used to carry AK-47s. They had, these are Austrian hand grenades. Austria has set up a hand armament factory in Pakistan. ये वो बना रहे हैं. है drone थोड़ा. जरा शुरू से ऐसी पढ़ा सी. This drone. तो ये कहना कोई drone नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा जी. Everything is fine. Now these are not responsible statements. Here is AK-47. Here is a light submachine gun. Here is another one, a Tommy gun, a Purani Tommy gun. And these are other weapons and all grenades which are coming. So we have a lot of, here is the pistols. These pistols have arrived in one drop. Why are pistols drop? Here is another drop thing there. Here are hand grenades and another drone here. So I am not an alarmist, but I know that there's something is going wrong. Wrong. Something is going to happen. What is going to happen? So it is for the government to sit down today, and whether it's in the Vidhan Sabha now, they want to hold a special session, ya kal jehda all party meeting kiti hai, and find out what is, don't deny anything. Logan de samne rakho, और दसो कि आ चीज़ हो रही है और ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੁਣ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਸਾਹਮਣਾ ਕਰੀਏ ਅਗਰ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਡ੍ਰੌਪ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਭੇਜਾਂਗੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ we will send BSF there. Now BSF has taken over 51 kilometers not to come into and take over Punjab administration. ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ they've come for assistance to our police to do this work, and this is not for Punjab. It's happening in Gujarat, it's happening in Rajasthan, it's happening here, it's happening in Jammu Kashmir, it's happening in Bangladesh, on Bangladesh border, it is happening on all the Chinese borders. Because on our Chinese, the drones, they can go anywhere and give them whatever capacity, and we have to be careful because this is in 1.5 years from just crossing the river, they have now come to 31 kilometers. I've got each drop, it has been shown where it has been picked up from, and that pickup has been now listed as to how many kilometers inland. And the latest which I got before I left government was 31 kilometers. So these are things that we must take responsibility and understand that this is what Punjab is heading for. We are a border. Our state has been a battlefield too many times. ਅਸੀਂ 1965 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ 1971 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਦਿਸ ਕਲੈਂਡਸਟੀਨ ਵਾਰਫੇਅਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਕੇਅਰਫੁਲ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਟਾਈਮ ਫॉर द गवर्नमेंट टू ओन अप एंड टू टेल द ट्रूथ एंड वेयर यू हैव टू रिक्वायर एनी फोर्सेस टेक दम पंजाब ਦੀ ਹਿਫਾਜ਼ਤ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੋਲਿਟਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹਾਂ It is our due, and we should not say, I do not say something कि a government की support नहीं करनी. हर पार्टी की ड्यूटी बनती है कि सिक्योरिटी वास्ते कोई पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होती. एक गवर्नमेंट की आपां नूं मदद करनी चाहिए जिहड़ी भी है, whether it is Akali Dal or whether it is Aam Aadmi or whether it is myself or whether it is somebody else, we must support the government and in this to maintain peace in Punjab. Now this is what I want to say to you. Now you want to know about yes party. Now the question is, what is the name of the party? I can't tell you because I don't know it myself. Our lawyers are today working with the Election Commission, and Jado Election Commission gives us name and approved symbol and tell you all. But I can't give you मैं थोनू पहना कोई नाम दे दमा कि पार्टी दा और कोई निकला है कुछ और उठों, that won't be right. So let us wait for the Election Commission to decide. But our lawyers are on the job, and we will give you the symbol also. We have made a request for symbol, and we have made a request for names also. And when that comes, now I'm open to so anything you would like to know. हाँ जी। So my point is that what does this look like to you? What तो की लग हो नहीं है फिर अपनी ना एक मिनट one at a time. Of course the BJP knows, the government of India knows that drones are coming. थोड़ा एक क्यों रेंज क्यों बताई है 51 किलोमीटर? ये रेंज 51 किलोमीटर ने इन्होंने इसलिए की है क्योंकि सानू हम drones we have seen the drops at 31 kilometers. Next stage may go to 40, next stage may go to 50. So they have given a 50 kilometer range. So ये BSF कर दिया है. I mean the government of India knows. We share information. Let me tell you, Punjab intelligence, IB, RAW, NIA, all interchange. सारा पता है उन्होंने सारा पता लग दे. They know everything. That is one of the reasons I think that they have taken the range to 51 kilometers.
खबरों के निष्पक्ष विश्लेषण के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनतंत्र टीवी एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. नेवर मिस एनी अपडेट.
डाउनलोड कीजिए जनतंत्र टीवी ऐप को, जो कि अवेलेबल है गूगल प्ले और ऐप स्टोर पर. अधिक जानकारी के लिए अभी डाउनलोड करें.